Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations on the latest products hitting the market. Today, we're diving into the world of sweet treats with what I dare say is the best chocolate biscuit available, Bauducco Choco Biscuit cookies. These cookies come in a convenient tub with 40 individually wrapped packs, making them perfect for snacking on the go, packing in lunchboxes, or indulging in a quick dessert. Each pack contains 2 crispy and delicious cookies, totaling a whopping 25.3 ounces of pure chocolatey goodness. Now, let's talk about what makes these cookies stand out. First off, the taste. With a perfect balance of cane sugar, wheat flour, whole milk, and chocolate liquor, these cookies deliver a rich and satisfying flavor that will have your taste buds dancing with delight. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the taste, the value, and the convenience of these cookies. Whether you're enjoying them with a cup of coffee in the morning, as a midday pick-me-up, or as a late-night snack, these cookies are sure to hit the spot. And let's not forget about the quality. Made with premium ingredients and packed with vitamins B1, B2, niacin, B6, and A, these cookies not only taste great but also provide a boost of energy to help you power through your day. But perhaps the best part about these cookies is the convenience. Individually wrapped for freshness and portability, you can take them with you wherever you go, ensuring that you always have a delicious treat on hand when hunger strikes. So, if you're looking for the perfect chocolatey snack that delivers on taste, quality, and convenience, look no further than Bauducco Choco Biscuit cookies. Trust me, once you try them, you'll understand why they're the best chocolate biscuits on the market. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy snacking!